In today's economy, it's more important than ever to be mindful of our spending habits. Cutting unnecessary expenses can significantly boost our savings and financial security. Here are some simple ways to identify and eliminate unnecessary costs from your budget. 1. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet. Keep a detailed record of all your income and expenses. Categorize your spending. Identify where your money is going and look for areas where you can cut back. 2. Review subscriptions and memberships. Identify unused subscriptions. Check for subscriptions you no longer use, such as streaming services, gym memberships, or magazines. Consider downgrading or canceling. If you can't justify the cost of a subscription, explore options like downgrading to a cheaper plan or canceling altogether. 3. Reduce eating out. Cook more at home. Preparing meals at home is generally cheaper and healthier than eating out. Plan your meals. Create a weekly meal plan to avoid impulsive food purchases. Limit impulse purchases. Before making a significant purchase, wait 24 hours to see if you still want it. Shop with a list and avoid buying unnecessary items by sticking to it. Find free or low-cost alternatives. Explore free activities. Look for free events, parks, and museums in your area. Borrow instead of buying. Consider borrowing books, movies, or tools from libraries or friends. Reduce energy consumption. Unplug electronics. Turn off electronics when not in use to save energy. Adjust your thermostat. Lower your thermostat during the winter and raise it during the summer. Cut down on transportation costs. Combine errands. Group errands together to save on fuel. Use public transportation or carpool. Explore alternative transportation options to reduce driving costs. By making small changes to your spending habits, you can significantly reduce unnecessary expenses and increase your savings. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your financial goals.